It's me, Kamal Thapa, IC coordinator and academic in charge of Adarsh English Secondary Boarding School, Nepal. And it's my great pleasure to work with the Apeejay schools, India. And we have already worked for the IC projects with these schools. And it's a great platform and great opportunity for my students for the coming program of the Anand Art Workshop. And really it will give them opportunity for share their idea and their feelings and their experience. Thank you very much.
From Adarsh English Boarding Secondary School, Kusma, Nepal. We are going to take part on Anand Art Workshop, which is organized by Apeejay School, Kolkata, India on 26 February. I myself and our team is really excited for that program. It's a great opportunity to interact with all of you and sharing our ideas, thoughts with virtual media.
Namaskar, it's me Ruplal Phagami Magar, teacher representative from Sri Adarsh English Boarding Secondary School, Kusma Parbat, Nepal. And myself and my students are very thrilled to join the Anand Art Workshop organized by Apeejay School from Kolkata, India. And Anand Art Workshop, the name itself gives pleasure. So we are going to join the Anand Art Workshop. We are going to learn with fun on 26th February. So it's very happy moment and great honor to join the workshop. Thank you very much. We will see you again.
Everyone,
Thank you
namaste.
so
I'm
much.
Rasmi from Adarsh English Boarding Secondary School, Nepal. I'm very excited to take part in Anand Art Workshop, which is going to organized by Apeejay School, India on 26 February. It's really great opportunity to explore ideas with our partner school friends through virtual media, especially through Google Meet. Thank you. See you.
I'm very happy, I think, to see something about Anand Art Workshop, which is organized by Apeejay School India, which is our ISA partner. We did many more program collaborative way in ISA journey. And recently, Apeejay School has organized one webinar, very interesting and very emerging. And on that webinar, our students took part, and I also was there. I think I got chance to say something at that time. And right now, Anand Art Workshop is going to be organized by Apeejay Schools. On that program, our students also they are going to take part. And I would like to give thanks especially Anita Bhattacharya and then our Edwin Kamal Thapa sir to coordinate and to manage this program. And I would like to wish for that program. I think certainly that program will success very fruitfully, and then in future also I think such kind of programs will help us to be together in same journey. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mahai Chaudhary from Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu, and I am very happy to participate in Anand Art Workshop organized by Apeejay School, India. It will be held on 26 Feb 2022. I am super duper excited for my competition. Thank you.